How to create class sessions. Well, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to make sure that you have a, a tool link in your menu that is attached to Blackboard Ultra. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and redo this. I'm going to delete this link, though this is the link. Oh, sorry. Let me do. Here we go. Yeah, there we go. So what I want to do is I want to create a Collaborate link that students can click on so they can join the class session. But you have to create the sessions first. So what I'm going to do is the first step, you want to create a Collaborate link for the students to be able to click on when they log into Blackboard. So you're going to come up here and you're going to click this plus sign where it says, this is the menu items. You want to add a tool link because Blackboard Ultra is a tool. I click on that. Now, I want to name that tool. I want to name it, but I have to pick the tool I want. So I click here and I want to click on Blackboard Ultra, Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Now I can name it what I want. I usually just call it Collaborate. I want to make it available to users. And I want to go ahead and submit. Okay, now we can click on the Collaborate button and we're going to go and we're going to create our sessions. This is your Blackboard Ultra. You want to create sessions. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. What you would do is you would hit Create Session. Now, you'll notice that over here on the right side, you have items that you can name or how you're going to put this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the steps of what you would want to do. Okay. So what you would want to do is name your session. What I usually do for my class is I give it the day and time that the class is actually going on. So let's say I have a Tuesday and Thursday class, and it's from 9 till noon. That's usually how I name it. Okay. The next step is I do want to create a guest link. Now, the reason for this is that most students on the first day of class should be able to log into Blackboard, though many still are having issues. So I like to create a guest link and send it out for the first class. Another thing you would want to do is you want to create a guest link for other people at Austin Community College in our department that might want to join your class. For instance, our supervisor, Mika, or maybe have some of the advisors come to your class. And then this is how they would get that access to join your video session. So what you want to do is you want to click that. You also want to make sure that the person or the guest role is only participant. Okay. Now, the start date. You want to make this the first day of your class. So let's say this class is going to start on the 22nd of August. I would click the 22nd of August. And I also want to put the time that it's going to start. It's going to start at 9 a.m. I can actually make this quicker if I just put in the zeros. Now, the end date. You want to make sure that the end date is exactly the same as the start date. Now, you do want to put the time that the class would end. So my class is going to end at noon. So I want to make sure I have noon here. Okay, good. So my class is going to start from 9 till noon. Now, what you would like to do is you want to repeat the session. Okay, so you would click this one, not this one with no end. You want to click the repeat session. Now, what you want to do is you want to say that this repeats weekly. Yes, it does. And it's going to be on Tuesdays, not Monday. So I'm going to click that Monday again so that I can unhighlight it. And I want to click the Thursday. So it's going to be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. It's going to recur weekly and it's going to recur every week. Now, end after certain occurrences. What you want to do is put in a specific day. So for classes that are starting the first session, our fall session, I think if I'm not mistaken, let me check, they're going to end So for this class, it would end October the 13th. That would be the last day for this class. So what I want to do is end my session on that day. So I'm going to come over here. Click this. I want to come over here and I want to click this, end after every occurrence. So I want to click on that. I want to put it for a specific day. Now, that specific day was October the 13th. Also, I want to make sure that early entry, that students can come in 15 minutes before class if they'd like. Now, when I hit the create button, everything should be fancy. Yay, look at what I have. So now that my stuff has been created, I have a phone number that students can call in if they want to join the class. I created a guest link that I can send out on my first day or before my first day of class. You definitely want to do that. And it's all done. So I want to save it. And now it's been saved. I can close and my occurrences are all here. If I click on this session options, you'll notice that all sessions should be listed. Let's see, there they are. These are all my sessions. You'll notice that the days are different. So it's occurring on a Tuesday, then a Thursday from 9 to 11. And that's how you create your sessions in Blackboard.